Hello my materialistic minions, Beau 2 coming today with, did you make any sense out of that? I don't care. Today we are excited to actually be getting some new grips on our M&P shield. This is the M2.0, meaning that you're probably looking at this video because you're trying to figure out how to get rid of that sandpapery grip. Now, if you really need something that aggressive, more power to you, but for me, this is going to be riding right up against my skin. And even if I have an undershirt on, the sandpaper is so bloody aggressive that it just wears your clothes raw. And so, if you're like me, you need a Talon grip. And this video will show you how to go about installing such a grip. Let's do this. First thing you're gonna do is use the included alcohol swab to clean it thoroughly all over the place. Then you're gonna be doing a dry fit test just to make sure it does in fact fit. Then what I did is I kind of peeled off section by section, situated it on like so, and then I would peel off the next section and really paying careful attention to make sure that that back grip is in fact symmetrical on there. It's not crooked at all. You can lift it and put it back on slowly but surely, but for the most part, try to avoid doing that. Go around, put all the little edges in, tucking that in like so, and this should take anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes, really not long at all. You can smash it in as much as possible, but where it's really going to set is where you flip it over to a hair dryer, put it on warm, not as hot as a warm cup of coffee. Really, do not overheat this thing. And this is where you really smash it in. And that is it. Short and sweet installation of the Talon grips in less than 2 minutes. Hope this helps.